Hey colorful weirdos, my name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be bleaching my hair again because the roots are not nice. So right now, I recently did a video on like a guide on bleaching the hair. If you haven't checked that out, or if you haven't downloaded the files, the PDF file, it's in my description box below. You can actually check that out. I made it for you guys as well. So please, pinaghirapan ko yun. Yung PowerPoint na yun. So please check that out. So let's go with the bleaching. So to start off, kailangan meron kayong plastic bowl. Any plastic bowl will do, basta plastic siya. And then gloves, any gloves, basta may gloves kayo when it comes to bleaching the hair. Then next one is 9% developer. I got this from Btch if in case you're wondering. And then you get your pre-bleach please. Later on, you will see kung paano ko siya gagamitin. And then, yeah, you need your bleaching powder as well. For the bleach please set, meron ka ng bleaching powder and everything is all measured already. So you have bleaching powder, you have your developer that is 9%, and then you have a free pre-bleach please na VCO. And then, get your 9% or 30 volume developer. Much better kung 9%. It's required or recommended for beginners kasi it's not harsh to your hair. Unlike sa 12%, sobrang tapang na niya. So, much better if 9% or 30 volume yung kinuha nyong developer. Then, mix everything na maging yogurt consistency siya. Now that nakita nyo na kung paano ko hinalo, kailangan nyong gawin is ma-achieve yung yogurt consistency. Kaya recommended yung for beginners ang 9% or 30 volume because it won't be harsh to your hair na kasi yung 12% like boom boom pack for lifts agad yon and sobrang harsh siya talaga. Sakit sa hair. Ganon. Now that you have everything you need, grab your pre-bleach please or your VCO before and after you bleach your hair. That way, the bleaching process won't hurt your scalp. Side note, please wag niyo ilagay yung VCO dun sa formula na hinalo nyo na bleaching powder and yung developer kasi hindi siya gagana. Dapat sa plastic bowl nyo lang is your bleaching powder and your developer. Also, don't wash your hair before you bleach your hair. The dirtier, the better because yung oils nyo then will protect you from your scalp. So next, section your hair into 4. So I put mine into a bun. Then I work my way up. So mix your bleach until yogurt consistency nga. And then, yeah, apply it evenly. And then after that, apply a generous amount of bleach. So as you can see, I bleached my hair to the midsection, then my ends because I want to get rid of my pink or faded hair that I had. And then after that, I will be bleaching my roots. Like I said, work your way up. So once you see pale yellow or yellow you can rinse it now with purple shampoo or purple conditioner. In my case, wala ako nun, so I'm gonna rinse it with K conditioner. Any conditioner will do for your hair, basta conditioner. So I did 2 bleaching sessions for this bleaching hair. Yeah, I didn't record the other session, pero it's just the same as what I'm doing right now. What I mean sa session is 1 week yung session mo. So, hindi dapat 1 day or else masisira yung hair mo. Then, let it sit around 30 to 45 minutes. So, this is the finished look. As you can see, hindi na tanggal yung pink because nga I think it's stained already. So, I really don't mind yung hair color ko na ganito because I just want to make my hair, you know, lightened-ish, lightened hair color or lightened pink. Basta hindi dapat siya pink because magmi-mix yung color niya. Kaya, I have to bleach my hair. I have to make my hair lightened. So I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video.